you guys, here are 4 words to describe why I love improv everywhere. No pants subway ride. Oh yeah, no pants subway ride, yeah! Sorry. Why is that girl sitting down when every subway car has at least 3 stripper poles? This girl's butt must want to take back something that it said because it is literally eating its words. And this girl too high is obviously an IKEA store. Because if I went in there, it would take me a minimum of 2 hours to leave. Oh, dang! I think I know what got this guy all chubbed up on his iPhone. Damn right. Well, or it is New York. You could be looking at Cat Santas. Related link? Alright you guys, if you like the No Pants Subway video, please donate to their Kickstarter documentary below. Not in my underpants, but in the description section. Also visit my website, PeteLee.net. Follow me on Twitter @PeteLeeTweets. If you like this episode of the show, click the little thumbs up button right there. And